Shipping is vitally important to the global community, playing a key role in sustainable development. The world depends on a safe, secure, and efficient shipping industry, and the shipping industry depends on an adequate supply of seafarers to operate the ship that carry the essential cargoes we all rely on. The shipping is highly technical, demanding considerable skill, knowledge, and expertise from those who work in it. And it is impossible to learn everything on the job. As a truly international industry, shipping needs a global network of specialist education and training establishments to ensure a continuing stream of high-caliber recruits. The maritime education and training must be of high and consistent quality throughout the world. They must be skills-based, competence-based, and utilize the latest technology such as simulators reflecting modern ships and update bridge layouts. But maritime education and training are not just for seafarers. Maritime education needs broad coverage. The naval architecture, marine engineering, maritime law, and many other fields all require specialist training. IMO has a long and wide-ranging involvement in the human element of shipping. The maritime education and training are essential and central to its work in this area. The 1978 International Convention on Standards of Training, Certification, and Watchkeeping for Seafarers has set the international benchmark for seafarer training and education. The compliance with its standards is essential for serving on board ships. Significant amendments to the convention were adopted in 2010 in Manila. Yet much remains to be done by parties to ensure effective implementation before the end of transitional period on 1st January 2017. Looking at the wider spectrum, IMO's Integrated Technical Cooperation Program provides a capacity-building framework to assist developing countries to enhance the skills and proficiencies required for effective compliance with IMO instruments. This, together with IMO's global maritime training institutions, the World Maritime University, and the International Maritime Law Institute, helps maintain a flow of high-level managers, policymakers, and other key personnel. We are very proud of these institutions and of the many graduates they have produced who now hold positions of responsibility and influence within the maritime community. In the future, the human element in shipping will be increasingly important, not just for the commercial reasons, but also as the industry moves towards ever higher standards of safety, environmental impact, and sustainability. It is a human element that will translate new objectives in these areas into solid actions. Further effort must be made to bring new generations into seafaring as a profession. Seafaring must be seen to appeal to new generations as a rewarding and fulfilling career. It is impossible to overstress how important this is without a quality labor force, motivated, trained, and skilled to the appropriate international standards. Shipping cannot thrive The importance of training and education for the maritime personnel of today and tomorrow is greater than ever before. The effective standards of training are the bedrock of a safe and secure shipping industry, and that is why this year maritime education and training is our theme for the World Maritime Day.